Yeah. Good morning, everybody. That was like the most tiring intro ever. Jesus, there's a lot of wind and I don't have a mic. But excuse the wind noise if there is any. This is gonna be a short little video on I don't know if you guys know, but I've had this piece for a very, very long time, and I never got to put it on because I don't have a downpipe for it. I don't even know, because it's like it doesn't have a brand, no brand marking, nothing around. There's no brand name around this, so I'm guessing that those headers are handmade. I don't know. I got it at a junkyard for super cheap, and now I'm gonna work on it, basically make it brand new again. So if you guys want to know how I'm gonna do that, let me show you real quick. This is what I'm gonna be using. 600 grit. I've already started a little bit. As you can see, like this side is brown, this side is still not used. I got this little section right here done. That actually looks so much better than this piece of dookie right here, all the way around on that little piece right there. Should I just leave it like this, or should I put some heat wrap around it? You know, the thermal wrap. Put thermal wrap on each and every single one of them. What do you think I should do? Should I do that? That's enough talking for today. That's enough talking. So let's get started. Now.
LiL Szn got the sauce.
From Miami,
El Guasón, bebé. We finally got her done. It's not the best job in the world, you know what I mean, but it's definitely better than it was before. I really do like these headers. I want to say I'm probably the only one with these headers because, like I said before, these headers look like they're not from a manufacturer. Like, there's nowhere in here that has like a manufacturer name, not even on the edge here, nothing. Nowhere does it have anywhere where the manufacturer name would be. But hopefully pretty soon I can get the downpipe. I want to see, like, you guys heard the car in the last video, how it sounds. Let me know how if you like it. If you like the headers, go like the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers. You know, small goal, but you know, I'm just starting, so I ain't really too worried. But they're looking very, very nice. I'll catch you guys later. Gotta get back on my shit. I'll see you guys next time.